Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding some crypto on Robinhood and you're ready to turn it into real cash, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer your crypto to cash on Robinhood in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it super straightforward for beginners and pros alike. Why bother? Well, whether you're cashing out for everyday expenses or just testing the waters, knowing this step can help you manage your investments wisely. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Robinhood app or website. If you haven't already, verify your account. Robinhood might require this for withdrawals, especially in 2025 with enhanced security measures. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio section. Here, you'll see all your holdings, including your crypto assets. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and tap on it to view details. Next, look for the Sell or Trade option. Enter the amount you want to convert. Remember, crypto prices fluctuate, so keep an eye on the current value. After confirming your sell order, your crypto will be converted to USD right in your Robinhood account. Now, to get that cash out, navigate to the Banking or Transfers tab. This is where you'll link your bank account if you haven't already. Robinhood makes this easy with instant deposits in many cases. Once linked, initiate a transfer from your Robinhood balance to your bank. It might take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and any 2025 regulatory changes. Pro tip: watch out for transaction fees. They're usually low, but they add up, so sell during off-peak times if possible. Also, double-check for any minimum withdrawal amounts to avoid surprises. And there you have it. Your crypto is now cash in your pocket. If you're new to this, always start small and stay informed about market trends. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.